Okay, so the session we are gathered here for today is group planning exercise. That is one of the subtasks under the GTO tasks. So what happens in GP exercise is you have been provided a model, 3D or 2D model, and a narrative will be given to you, which consists of several problems or important things that you need to tackle to. You will be shown the model for 5 minutes, and you will be given narrative, the story that is there for 5 minutes. In these 5 minutes, you have to observe all these important points and make it relatable to the model provided. After that 5 minutes, you will get 10 minutes to write your plan of action, how you'll tackle all these things that are provided in that narrative. After that 10 minutes, we will stop writing and we will discuss amongst us the solution for that particular narrative. And for discussion, we'll get 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, we need to devise a common solution. We will elect one of us to describe the common solution. And that's how it ends. Any doubts, any questions?
No.
Okay. So I'll start by sharing the map. I'll share the map as well as the narrative of the group also. So let me just share my screen. Uh, Window. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
it is.
So this is the model. I'll share it in the group also. Okay. I am sharing the image of narrative as well as I'll share it as a text also. So if anyone is facing any problem reading the narrative, you can refer to the text. So all these images and the text is provided in the group. Time now is 9:42. We'll have 5 minutes to observe the picture. So we'll meet again at 9:47. Okay, so the time starts now. You can start observing.
Sir, can you please zoom it?
Yeah, sure. I'll zoom. Is it okay?
Yeah, it is okay.
Okay. Okay, so the time for checking the narration is over. Now we'll have 10 minutes to write down our solution. So you can start writing now.
Sir, sorry for disturbance, but where have you sent the narration?
You are from SSB Delta group, right?
Delta Group. Delta Group.
Yeah, I've sent the narration on the group itself. I have sent
Okay,
the
okay,
image as well as the text.
okay.
Okay, so time is up for writing. Please stop writing. Now we will discuss the common plan and the plan of action. So we'll get around 15 minutes. So during these 15 minutes, we can all discuss our solutions. So I'll start the timer. And a small request, if possible, please turn on your videos during the discussion. And do not read from your answer sheet. Um that's also a small heads up. So I'll start the timer. We'll have 15 minutes and we can start discussing now. So,
If
so
there are
there
five
are,
of us, we can divide the group into three.
First, we need to prioritize our plan of action.
okay, so currently we know that there are four important things. First, the collapse Haveli. Second, the fire
Yes.
at fields. Then the the exchange of illegal items at Chara village, and then the bomb at the railway station, like the railway track, the bomb planted at railway track. So
Since the students
Priority
are
should be
already
killing
at
the people at
Roper and the
the
Haveli is
Haveli.
nearby,
Priority should be given to the injured people, I think,
correct.
and
that
since
are at
they
the
are
health
Yes.
already at
because two of
Roper,
them
Priority
are
is
so
Should be
given.
critically
they
sick.
given to
Yes.
can
the
reach Haveli
that
easily, and
terrorist who
along with
help
the villagers
planted
who
the
help.
bomb. It will blast the bridge and causes loss of life and property. And second, we will give the priority to the those terrorists who will exchanging illegal items to explode the
I think
place.
first
So
Priority
priority
will
should be
give to
given
the
to the
injured
collapsed
person.
Haveli as two men are seriously
Yes.
injured
So
there.
and
Yes,
The
so we
three
should
yeah,
people
discuss
will go to the
the
and the
Haveli to
discuss
save
First
the
students
people.
priority
will
villagers who
will
are
give power
and
present
to
there.
the
students are already in Roper, so reaching Haveli will not take much time because they are already at Roper and the Haveli is also
Yeah,
nearby.
Haveli is close
They
to them.
along
Okay.
yeah,
So
so
what
two
we can do
students.
is
Second group
we
can
just
now.
list.
I think we can take the streamer service.
First, we
We
should
should
divide
two
our group
students
into
along with
two
the
groups.
villagers should rush for
Okay,
Haveli and
so
look
first
for
of
the
all,
Okay.
let's
See.
injured
decide
So
how
what
person.
many
I
of us
think
are there.
is
Let's
that
consider there are
we
9 of us. Okay,
Yeah,
for
so we will take a
simplicity,
group of
we'll
there are
nine
nine of
divide
us.
in.
students too.
We
We'll
can
divide into
get
three
three groups.
groups.
Three groups
And
of
we
Okay.
three
also
each.
need to be mindful that
Three
currently the
groups of
time is
three.
9 a.m.
Yes.
and we have
I think
our exams at 11:15 a.m. So we have around 2 hours in our hand to reach Neemganj also.
Okay. So we have three groups. So first three will go to Haveli, rescue the people, the five
Yes. Now
people
the
there,
second
and
should be
and
tackling that
It is also mentioned that the
drug
streamer
exchange.
comes twice a day,
Mm.
and
Yes.
We know that we have the streamer
yeah,
service which will come at
so
9:30. So by that
I
time we
think
can
that
give priority to the
second
people and
priority
take
should
people to Neemganj.
be
It is our
but it's important to
so
reach the
hospital is there
railway
in Neemganj.
station to inform the the
okay.
station master about the possible bomb that is there.
Hmm.
So the
correct.
Yes, we
students
Agreeing
can
will
take the
to
steamer service to reach.
to the railway
As the
station
blast
and,
is
correct.
and
on.
Agreeing
inform
to
the
Nikita's
station
point.
master as
Like
well as all
Yes.
the
But
police
by
from
that
there
time we
as
need to
they have the
have some
So
that
I think we have
line.
agreed on
local
our
support as well
They could take
priority
help of our
maximum.
station
tackling a
master
drug
or
exchange.
nearby RPF because the
uh,
timing of bomb blast is at
Okay.
10
We can
a.m.
take the
around,
streamer facility,
and
but
we
in
have
order to tackle
also
that
our
drug,
exam at
The
10
yes.
quickest way to reach the station will be taking the streamer. The quickest way to reach to reach
Okay.
railway station will be taking
Yes.
the streamer,
Let us
and so
think
we can take the
that
streamer
the
to reach the
streamer
railway
starts at
station.
9:30. All right.
okay. So
Yeah,
currently,
and
Yes,
has a
yes,
down.
9:30
It
is
is also
right.
mentioned that the downstream
No, but
speed
then
is
we need to
about
take the road
15
service as
kilometers.
well because if we
like
cross the
I
stream,
would like to
yes,
mention one point.
we
So
can
the
say that we can
hospital
reach
is
the
at.
other bank by 9:45, then take the road services and reach the station maximum by 10.
Okay, so
Okay.
I'll like to
Yes.
Yeah,
notice one
if the
point to bring
steamer
the
comes at
notice. The
9:30, maximum
hospital
by
is at
10, the people will
Neemganj
be at
and
railway
the
station.
railway station
Nimgaj
is also
itself.
closer to Neemganj. So if we
I,
put the injured people, two injured people,
But
and we
between
proceed towards
Neemganj and
Neemganj,
Ropar, there is the river
so
Koyal.
Neemganj,
we
where
can reach the railway station and make the RPF aware. Okay.
correct,
Yes.
correct, Aditya.
And
So we can
okay. So
admit the two
yes.
injured
This,
people at the
uh,
hospital at Neemganj, and the rest one could stay
All
with
right.
with them at the hospital, and the rest two can go towards
And
railway
No, we
station,
need to
informing.
actually
we
pay
also
attention
need to
that
be
we only
mindful about
four
contraband
people
First,
at a
we
time
need
can
to
go.
also
reduce
at
all
also
Chara,
our
as
anyone
they
can
are
go
trains
also
there.
Four
and
planning
they
people
to
are
can go at a
creating
time at the
injured.
blow the
Then after
ponton
the
bridge,
first
right?
so
section,
So
we
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 also
should
need to be
present to the
mindful of that.
People
hospital.
going to Neemganj also go
Since
to
there are
railway
we can only take
station
four people at a
and
time.
take help of
yeah,
RPF.
because the rowing
Yes,
maximum
Yes.
capacity is 4.
So
So
we can say that two of us will go with the two injured persons to the Nimganj right after
and
crossing the
since
river, and we can reach there by 10. By that time, the boat will also come back to
Correct.
the
also since
upper
Roper has
village.
no means of communication
Yes.
as it is mentioned, the people who reach the railway station can take the help of RPF also and inform them about the planning at going out
Uh,
at Chara,
Bomb blast. Yes.
regarding
Yeah, the train could be
blowing up the
stopped before
ponton
they
Yes.
bridge.
reach the station,
And
so
I
we
think
can
that in
avoid.
order to tackle the third yes, in order to tackle the third problem of the drug exchange, we can take some local support from the village itself and take again the stream right
completely agree with
to
you,
reach the
Correct.
fields.
Aditya. We can take the
But
help of
steamer is
locals
not
and
at our
as well as
option, right?
police
Na?
help.
Steamer
We
only
can take
comes
police help.
twice a day.
No, no. At
As
10,
we
at
have
10.
divided our group
He's
into
talking
four
about
So we have
subgroups,
already
the
taken
we
steamer
illegal
are
to
exchange.
Okay,
going to
so
tackle all these
Uh-huh.
bombs
okay.
and exchanging
We
illegal
I am
can
talking
items
of the
and the
illegal
injured
exchange.
person.
Yes.
And this
illegal
subgroup
exchange which are taken at hotel.
will
Like
I
went
think we
to
can also
Chara
travel
what
village.
to the
river
Chara village
whose
where
heart is
illegal thing is
boiling
happening.
we
and
also
to
have
work and let's reduce that fire.
Okay,
All right.
Ayush, you were saying
And we
something.
can,
So basically, our
Yeah, I was saying that we can also travel by road to the Chara and inform at the Raju Hotel about the contraband thing, so that don't allow anyone to come inside, or we can inform the security
or
also
the,
there
I
at
think
the hotel.
Okay.
all right.
Yes,
I agree with you,
going by
Ayush.
river Koel will take less time than going by road because we don't have a means of transport there since the minibus is
We
not
can
there.
take any vehicle as it is a main road. We will be able to take any vehicle and we can go there. Right?
So
Correct.
we have like our plan of action is to first go to Haveli, right, which is being
Yes,
collapsed and
Yes,
first
safe
correct.
priority
to
should
visit.
be going to Haveli.
Yeah,
The injured person,
and
since
then
it is
we
close to our
Yes.
current location.
Second should be taking the injured person to the hospital
Neemganj.
near Neemganj.
Neemganj,
Yes.
and also take
Third is, yes, third
Uh,
is tackling the drug exchange. Also, not to forget the fourth one, we can take local
Figures.
support to help the farmer with his sheep in
Yeah,
order to
haystack, like the
set
we
haystack
out the
need to
is
reach
fire.
the
on
railway
fire.
station, right, to
So,
inform RPF about the probable bomb blast and also
Also
In
about
about
my
the
opinion,
on bridge.
the third
yeah,
step
also
Yes,
should
about
be
the
not
discussion about the
to drug
bridge,
exchange.
the pontoon
The
bridge.
third action of R is to help the railway station RPF to inform the RPF about the blast because
also we are
it is
forgetting
more severe.
about the like burning haystack of the farmer.
but since we're
So,
a group of students, yes, we can
Yes,
take local support for that because we already have three major problems to solve. So we can convince the local people to support the farmer.
okay, but
we have four
also
problems.
since the
How we can
river,
forget
Since
that
we had nine
fire?
people at disposal, I think two people can surely also assist the farmer since he has came to us for
since
help or
river
act.
Koyal is also near, we can take the help of the
All right.
water there to put out the fire. Or since the road is their main road, there will
We
also be
also need to
sand in
be
the nearby area, so we can also use
mindful
sand
of
to
the
put out.
time also.
So
And
time currently time was 9 a.m. like when we
yes,
started.
Yeah,
So the
yes.
exchange would be at 10:20. The bomb would go off around 10:15.
ten
So we
fifteen.
So
Yes.
yes, correct. So I
so
think the distance between Rupert to Neemganj would be around 7 to 8 kilometers. So if we start at Haveli, like
yes.
start rescuing people at Haveli, so later by 9:15 or 9:30 we could rescue the people.
By
We could
9:30, we should be ready to
Yes.
take the injured person
9:30
and
the
reach
boat
the
services will start
and another half an hour
to
will
the
be
name.
taken to
So
cross
two
the river
people,
Korea through the steamer service, because we can
reach.
see from the picture clearly that it is more than 1 kilometer wide, and that is
correct.
a good
Yeah.
amount of length we have to cover on a water body. So it will take time.
So by 10, we will be at Neemganj with the injured person.
Yes.
Also, we
So
have to inform the RPF about the railway
yeah,
bombing
since
of the
all
10:15
right.
Neemganj
is the
and
timing.
Balapur
All
So
right. And the
hospital
two
bridge.
of us who are there can
Help
stay
in the
there
hospital to railway station.
as
So for
the
RPF,
exam is in Neemganj only.
Yeah.
yes,
At
so
11:15, the exam
we
commences.
can decide among ourselves to rendezvous at Neemganj only.
No, okay, no.
So since
I
it
think
would
we
be
have sorted
close
out the
enough.
problems, but now it is important to get the seven of others back to.
Can
Also, we
like it
can
is
Yes,
make
two
use
of
of
us
the
have.
boat that
Yes,
is
two of
there
us have
at the
already reached
fishery.
there in order to take the two injured persons through the boat.
I think we
So
can use.
basically, at
also we have
Yes,
to
Nikita, you were saying.
inform about the bridge,
yes,
the
or
pontoon
Bolo,
bridge
please go
that
ahead.
is there.
All right.
Okay, so I was saying
So I
like
guess now we can summarize our explanations, right?
yes.
So the streamer service is twice, right? We also have an extra boat.
also there is a boat there
Yeah,
at
there is
the
an
Okay.
fishery.
extra boat
So
with a
now
rowing
we need to
capacity of
get
2.
back to the rendezvous position. As Saurav said, we need to get back to the rendezvous position.
That
We
would be
can take the
Neemganj.
help of both the
So
Actually,
they'll
the
Yes,
boat
so
that
we
we have
can make use of
is
that.
little far away
uh,
from our current
So if
location.
we
It is at the fishery.
at max if we leave by 10:30, we can, yes,
since
we can
two
cross
of
the river
us,
by that.
Ayush, I got your point. Since two of us are already going to the railway station to
We have
inform
already
them
gone there. Yes,
about the bomb present at the rail track, we can
Possible
then
bomb, yes.
forward on to the fishery,
yes,
and from there we can take the boat back to Rupa.
yes,
And
And
about Chara, we are going to inform the RPF about the possible blow up of pontoon bridge, or are we also going to reach there? Because
I
if we are
think
planning to,
I think since there is a
No.
hospital at Neemganj, so the possibility of having a police station is also high near that area.
So
So,
basically, we will inform them
Yes.
about the possible, so they can go and avert it. Right?
correct. And
Because we
other
have
Because
than
less
we
we
people,
can
we have
just,
Right.
also
we
less
can
time.
inform, take help of police and nearby people.
Yeah.
correct.
I think we also have to
Yes.
discuss about the
I,
pontoon bridge that they're about to destroy. It is
Uh,
given after 10.
yes.
They can,
correct.
They
we
The
can,
thing is,
already
we can opt the
done
police to look
with
on
the
the thing is
look upon
that
that matter.
they would
yes.
destroy the
Right.
bridge
We have
after the
informed
illegal
the
exchange. So, if we
RPF.
stop the illegal
Since the
exchange,
pontoon
it
bridge
will.
blow up is around 10:15, we need to be
Understood.
mindful to reach at correct time also, so that RPF also has a window to reach
Yes.
Char.
Yes, completely agree.
Ansh, you have any
Illegally.
points
Yes.
to add? Ansh,
We can easily reach the railway station by 10 and
any other points?
So
It's we have left something.
We now summarize our topic.
We should focus on taking the mode of transport that requires the least time to reach the railway station.
I think the minibus that we have used for carrying the patients would suffice, like going to the railway
But it's
station.
written that I think it was written in the narrative that the minibus has dropped them and left. I think it wasn't at their
We should
disposal.
keep
They
in
were
mind.
waiting at
Okay.
Ropar for
it
taking
will
the
be leaving
train.
at 9:20, right? It will be the bus will be leaving at 9:20 and current the time is 9. So
9.
we can use that also if we
no,
want.
I
We can
guess
use the
we
ticket available in the.
have done with all the points. We have solved the problems and
So I think all these problems are discussed.
first would,
And
I believe that first should be yes.
yes, Aditya, absolutely.
To appear for the exam.
It is
Sorry, Ansh, you are not audible.
yes. It has left for Kalapur and
So I think we
Nikita,
have.
there is
but
disturbance coming from your mic. Please turn it off.
the river is in between, so we need to cross it using a boat only.
In order to reach Neemganj from
If
Ropar,
we
we
have to
need
reach
to cross
Neemganj,
the river at any point, right? It is in the middle. We cannot, I
either
think,
the
reach.
boat or the railway line.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I think streamer would be more it is coming around
Yes, so we
9:30
can
any
conclude
to
by
reach.
nominating one of us to
Shubham, would you like to
yes,
give the
Ansh,
comment?
please.
We should also keep in mind that we have to appear for the exam.
That we have discussed, like we will rendezvous around 10:50 at Neemganj only, and then we can carry on to the exam, which is at 11 a.m. So since the exam is at Neemganj only, so it won't take much time. So I think now we should nominate a single person to describe the common solution. So I would like to nominate Shubham. Guys,
Thank you
if
for
you would like
nominating
to,
Saurabh.
yeah, sure, go on. Sorry, there was some network issues
Yes.
from my
So
side.
9:30 the river services start, right? We can yes. And we also have a boat for us to row and take people later.
Aditya, I think your voice is breaking.
Yes. 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 So
Aditya, could you repeat that? What is
no, please continue.
Okay, so and you would like to give the common solution? Guys, vote.
Yeah, Shubham, please go ahead. I think
Shubham,
Saurabh.
go with the
Yeah.
the
Shubham, please go ahead with
conclusion.
them.
Okay, thank you for nominating me, guys. If we can see the problem, there are mainly five problems. Uh, First, there is Haveli problem. Second, blast, and third one is terrorists that are planning and meeting at hotel. The fourth one is Sipard and fire break at their place. So uh, we are dividing our group. Let we consider that there is a group of nine people, and we can divide our group by in three, and three people are there in each group. So first we have to go to Haveli because it is nearby to Rupar. Then we have to save the people who are got injured in Haveli by taking first service. We go to Neemganj hospital. Thereby, subsequently, we go to nearby railway station and inform the RPF about the matter. Then subsequently, other group is taking the charge of saving the going to hotel and telling and saving the terrorist problem and other that much as
Okay, so this was the
I
final
didn't
narration.
read the problem much now because
Sorry, you were saying.
I didn't read whole problem, so I read that much of
Okay, but we have discussed a common solution.
because my network there is network issue now. I have not listened. Yeah.
Okay, no worries. So, do everyone agrees with the revised common plan? Are we missing something?
Yeah, I just wanted to say some point
Yeah, sure, Raj.
uh, we have discussed that we will go to Neemganj first and get the people admitted there in the hospital and inform the RPF. But we also have to see that six people are left at Rupar, and we have to take a method of transport that is either through the fishery or we can go through the Chara and then continue to the pontoon bridge and reach Neemganj. So that part I wanted to discuss that which method would be the best to reach back to Neemganj and in a short period of time and write the exam.
Okay, so you want to discuss that?
Yes, I just wanted to discuss that.
I think we had a common solution. Let's continue.
I think
Like,
considering
in between
Ayush's
there was some
point,
errors.
Hmm.
yeah, yeah. I prefer. I would say that regarding Ayush point, going through Chara and Ponton Bridge, there may be, since commotion will be there, since the IPF might be there, and they might, shut down the bridge or take some precautionary measure. So
Yeah,
it
but
would be better to.
we have also said that at the Chara we'll comprehend the terrorists and with the help of the villagers, so we can directly continue from there to Neemganj. I think because at the fishery we can see that to going Neemganj upstream it is approximately 6 kilometers, and
Yeah.
the speed is also given as 6 kilometers per hour. So it will take a good amount of that is 1 hour to reach to Neemganj by that time. After we comprehend the terrace and then we go back to the fishery and then we go back to Neemganj, it would take a lot of time. I think.
So we can reach Chara and from there only via Ponton Bridge continue and reach Neemganj.
Okay.
Right?
No, but the width of the river is like just
Around 2 kilometers.
almost 2 kilometers. We will only take 20 minutes even if we go 6 kilometers per hour. And then we can
Aditya, could you please repeat according to
continue by road. From the ferry point. Am I now audible?
Yes,
Yes,
audible.
you are.
So I propose the plan that the width of the river is just 2 kilometer. So even if going upstream,
I-
taking 6
Yeah.
kilometer per hour as the speed will take 20 minutes, and
yeah, but
that is,
you
I guess, a feasible plan. And then we can take the road to reach Nimgal, rather than like completely going round to Pontoon Bridge. And also there is the risk.
Oh, I think he has some network issues. Oh, he joined again. Yeah, Aditya.
I think Aditya is suggesting that since River Koel has the width of 2 kilometers, going via Chara will take more time as compared to, I think, choosing the river. But I don't know if they will
Good.
clarify further. We need to come at a common conclusion.
So what we can do is, I think like since
Yes,
we have,
I was
yeah,
telling that. Yes,
yeah, Aditya, go on.
sir.
Oh, okay, yeah. So I was saying, like we can, like since
Even if we go at 6 kilometer per hour, we can reach there by 20 minutes.
through the river,
I
right?
think your voice is lagging. Hello, am I
Yes,
audible? Guys?
yes, you are.
There is some network issue, I guess.
Correct. Yeah, so one thing that we can do is since some of us are going to Nimganj, so we can communicate like one could take back the boat from the fishery. So meanwhile, they are apprehending the like the terrorists at Chara. So one of us could take the boat towards Looper again, if that is feasible. Any suggestions? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Or
audible.
Okay, so what I was saying is like three of us are there at Neemganj. So what we can do is we can send like the person who are going to the railway station can carry on towards the fishery. Meanwhile, the rest of the three are at Chara. Okay, so the three that are that the one or two guys that are at the railway station could go towards the fishery, take the boat till like the connection between that Haveli and that river. So meanwhile, like in the meantime, while they are apprehending the terrorists at Chara village, so they can take the boat towards Haveli. Am I clear?
Yes, clear.
So I think
yes,
the stream is upwards or downwards. I think that is not mentioned. So if
Upward,
we
upstream.
okay upstream, yeah. So I think the speed was around 10 kilometers upstream, or
Upstream was around 6
6.
kilometers.
Correct, correct. Downstream it was 12. Upstream it was 6. So if we calculate around roughly it is around 10 kilometers we could say from Fishery to Haveli through river. So within an hour, like if we reach at the railway station around 10, so from 10 to the fishery. Okay, so if we consider like the distance is around 8 kilometers, 8 it would be around 8 kilometers from fishery to Haveli. So I think within 1 hour we can travel that distance. Any other idea? Any suggestions?
No.
Okay.
we can go ahead with that plan.
Okay, so Ayush, would you like to give the common narration?
Uh, yes, I will. I will give it.
Sure, you can go ahead.
So, as we have 9 members, and we are currently at Trooper, and time is at 9 a.m. So, it would take approximately 10 to 15 minutes to help the people out of uh, the the crushed Haveli, and through the steamer service that will come at 9:30 a.m. We can take the people to Neemganj Hospital and admit it there. And following that, also we'll inform the police about the bombing at the railway station that is going to happen in the Neemganj to Kalapur Express. In the meantime, the other two group members, one of them with the help of the villagers, they can gather them and go to the Chara, the Raju Hotel in Chara, and apprehend the terrorist. So that they do not exchange the contraband and do not go and explode the pontoon bridge that is 8 kilometers away from Chara. And the third group, they can with the help of other people, they can help to extinguish the fire of the shepherd that is in the fields by either putting some sand or with the help of water. And after that, the other people, they can through the fishery, they can go through the Neemganj, and all of them can assemble there to give their exams.
Okay, so this was the common story. Would anyone like to add any other points, or do we all agree with the story? Uh, the plan of action, that is. Hello, Shubham, Neha, Ansh, Aditya, Nikita. Do we all agree?
Yes, Saurav,
O-
we are agree with it.
Okay, so thank you, Ayush, for
I agree with the plan of action.
okay. Thank you, Ayush, for giving the common solution. I'll stop the
I
recording.
do agree with the plan of action. Yes, we agree.